not laughing. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's magnetic. I found it. Look, they told me it was plastic and it's metal.
Jesus stuff, huh?
Yeah. Or the old fuck clip.
Hey, I used Roger's trick with the magnet and it worked.
Which trick?
Screwdriver? Yep. Put a magnet on the screwdriver and put your C-clips on.
Oh
It
yeah.
pops off and attaches to the magnet.
Yeah, yeah. Well, this thing's magnetized, so hopefully it... You can rub it in the dirt too. It'll do the same thing. Right? I think so. You know what I should do? No. What I should do? Oh, here. This thing.
I mean, I've used it on windy days when, I'm talking that 25 miles. You know what? Why tear up an airplane? Stick it on the land. Yeah, it's something you use
I haven't used it in a while now myself.
I'm learning to let it be your friend at times.
Yep, that's what it is.
I'd rather go home in one piece.
Yep.
Sunday was the first time I flown that to a Flight AS3X. And I went, oh, this isn't bad at all. So I said, okay, I can go on with that. To the point where my goal is to put it in that. Yeah. But I still have one little piece of it. So,
Yep. That's it. You just have to get the confidence back. If you crash, it blows your confidence. But right. I got an idea here. How you doing there, little buddy? Huh. I don't know.
This must be to go with all the Roman candles we've been finding out here.
Well,
That sounds terrible.
it does. It'll wear down. It'll be fine. Okay, well, let's see. Huh? Oh, I'm not sure. I just saw something yesterday, but I don't remember what it was. I quit watching before I saw the content.
Nice to see him get back to doing real airplanes instead of things you find laying around. Huh? Oh, wonderful.
What'd you find? Oh, nice.
Did you get it put together?
Somewhat. It's not really right. I shouldn't even be flying it, but you know me, I gotta take a chance. Oh, I got the wheel on, yeah. The wing is questionable. Yeah. What could possibly go wrong? Let's see. Let me see if I can find that now. That wasn't it, was it? No. Tony! Where did I put my little... Yeah. See if I can find it. Still looking for that clip. Oh, him. Who? Oh, he might have some respiratory issues. Yeah. Well, I'll go by the hardware store later and get more of those. I'm going to figure something else out. I'll put a little wire around it. I just glued a little piece of thing. It won't come over that. Yeah, it's my new little puppy.